Let us now take another sutram which prescribes the affix ghai as the apavadaha to the affix gha prescribed by 33118 Pumsi Sanyaya Gashprayana. We already studied 33120 which says Ave Trustro Rghaya. Anavritti of Rghaya comes from that sutram 33120 down to 33121. Sutram is Halascha 33121. This sutram also prescribes the affix Ghai as the apavadaha to the affix Gha prescribed by 33118. Just like 33120 prescribed Ghai as apavadaha to the affix Gha, same thing here in the sutram 33121. Of course, the conditions are different here. This sutram prescribes the affix Ghai following a verbal root ending in a consonant. It's a very straightforward sutram. The vritti says halantad karnadikaranyoho pumsi sanyayang ghai syat. Anuvritti, of course, we know karnadikaranyoho coming down from 33117 and pumsi sanyayam coming down from 33118, and as we just said, anuvritti of ghai is coming down from 33120. So halantad dhatoho, we have the dhatoho adhikaraha. So halantad means halantad dhatoho, following a verbal root ending in a consonant in a hal letter. The affix ghai is prescribed provided the word so derived is used as a proper noun in the masculine gender and it denotes either the instrument or the locus of the action. So the meaning is to denote the instrument or the locus of the action, which is karanadikaranayoho, anuvritti coming down from 33117. The affix ghai is used following a verbal root ending in a consonant, provided the word so derived is used in the masculine gender as a proper name, pumsi sanyayam, coming down from 33118. As we already said, the affix ghai prescribed by this sutram is the apavadaha, exception to the affix gha prescribed by 33118. Let's take a very famous example here. Ramate lokosminniti ramaha, derived from the verbal root ramu kridayam, rama iti madhavaha, from the vadiganaha. So Ramaha is the one in whom people or the world delights or finds pleasure. Derivation is quite straightforward here. The affix ghai is brought in the sense of adhikarane. So Ramaha is the locus of the delight. So we have ram plus ghai because we do have a verbal root ending in a consonant. I'm deriving a proper noun in the masculine gender. So all the conditions for applying 33121 are satisfied. So we have ram plus ghai by 33121. Remove these letters as usual. The ending nyakaraha gets its sanya by halantyam. Beginning ghakaraha gets its sanya by lashakvatadjite, then tasya lopaha. And we have ram and then we apply ata upadhayaha, because the affix ghai is a nyit. So therefore we apply ata upadhayaha to the vriddhi adesha in place of the penultimate akaraha of the angam ram. So we get rama. If we had used the affix gha, we could not get the form rama because the affix gha does not have the nakaraha or the nyakaraha as it letter. So that is why it's important to use the affix ghai, so we get the form rama. Rama, of course, gets the pratipadika sanya by krit tadita samasascha. Let's take one more example here, also in the sense of adhikarane. The example here is prasidantyatre prasadaha. Prasidanti atra iti prasadaha, derived from the verbal root sad, which in the dhatu pata is shadl visharana gatyavasadhaneshu, which in the bhadiganaha as well as in the tudadiganaha, with the upasargaha pra. Prasadaha, of course, means a palace. It is that in which people are pleased or satisfied. That is a palace. So here also we are using the affix in the sense of adhikarane, means the locus of the action in which people are pleased. We're deriving a masculine noun is a proper name and we have a verbal root ending in a consonant. So all the conditions for applying 33121 are satisfied. Derivation is similar to what we just did. So we start with pra sad plus ghai with the sutram 33121 halascha. Remove these letters. The ending nyakaraha gets its sanya by halantyam. Beginning ghakara of ghai gets its sanya by lashakvatadjite tasya lopaha. We get pra sad apply ata upadha Sanyayaha Vriddhyadeshaha in place of the penultimate akaraha we get prasada. Now we need to do a dirghadeshaha in place of the ending akara of the upasargaha pra. For that we need a sutram from the third quarter of chapter 6 of the Ashtadhyayi. Sutram is 63122. It's quite an important sutram. Sutram is upasargasya ghayyamunishye bahulam. So that will be our next sutram. So we can complete this form prasa.